Hello friends, as you all know, CBSE introduced case study based questions since from session 2020-21. Now we are talking about PISA examination which also asks case study based questions. What is case study? A case study is a scenario in a particular professional context which students are expected to analyze and respond to, guided by specific questions posed concerning the situation. Now, how to create a case? Think of an incident, experience, or a known story. Correlate your topic with the story to make it a new case story. While creating the case story, try to insert situations which will help you in framing questions. Now, create 4 to 5 problems or questions in your story based on the situations inserted in step 3. How to make a good case study based questions? First is, you have to select a topic or concept on which a case has to be created. Generally, we are creating or we select on 4 types of situations: personal, educational or occupational, public means related to community or society, and scientific. Then transform the topic into a story with realistic touch. Now draft the story. While drafting the story, at least 3 sections should be included: introduction, background, and outline of the story. Strict demarcation of the sections may not be maintained because we have some word limitations here. Here solutions or recommendations should not be given since that can be asked as a question. The case thus formed should be designed to create curiosity in the readers. The length of the story should be short, preferably within 80 to 100 words. The case should have minimum negative impact on the reader and should end with a positive note. Now it's the time to frame 4 to 5 questions basing on the case whatever you prepared. Questions to be framed should not have answer directly available in the case story text. Questions should include reasoning, data analysis, critical thinking, etc. as per the case. Questions should be clear, without ambiguity, and few may be open-ended. Take care that the case-based study does not mingle with comprehension type questions. Since questions of case-based study are MCQ type, the guidelines for making MCQ type questions need to be followed. Now the flow chart for making a case study based questions. Just go through it correctly so that you can frame a good number of case study questions later on. The first point is selection of topic or concept. So first we have to select a topic or concept, then think a situation, basing on the situation make a story and then draft it. Now frame the question. The questions may be of MCQ of type, may be ARQ type, may be true false type, may be fill in the blanks type, may be very short answer type. Let us frame a case study. So our point number 1, the first point says selection of topic or concept. I have decided to frame a question on application of Pythagoras theorem. Now the point number 2 is think a situation. While roaming around in my room, I saw a line of ants start from the corner of a roof. This is my situation. Whatever I observe in my room, now let us take it as a situation. Point number 3, make a story and draft it. So I just made a story on this and the drafting is like this. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 4 meter respectively. Sai Chandan, a curious boy, noticed that ants are moving in a line originating from the corner of the roof. The ants are moving back to back in a straight line up to a point along the length on the floor, which is 3 meter away from the corner point of the floor, just below the corner point of the roof. From this point along the length on the floor, the line of ants proceeding to a sweet bowl which is on the floor at a distance of 4 meter. While returning back, the ants follow the same path. So this is my draft of the story. Now, point number 4 is imagine the situation, go through the story and convert them into a pictorial form. So my pictorial form is given here. The ants are moving from the corner of the roof to the sweet bowl. Point number 5. Give a suitable title to the story or case. So here the name of my story is Disciplined Ant. Point number 6. Frame 4 to 5 questions based on the case study. Now your case study based question is ready. Our job is over. So whatever question we prepared, now as a whole it will look like this. The title of the story is Disciplined Ant. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 4 meter respectively. Just go through this. This is my stem part or the case, and on the right side the picture is also given, which clears the whatever story, whatever the narration you have given in the story, this picture will clear everything. Now the questions are, the first question is, Sai Chandan eagerly tried to find out the approximate length of an ant. He estimated the approximate length as 0.002 meter. Find the approximate number of ants originating from the starting point at the corner up to the sweet bowl on the line. The options are given to you. Similarly, the second question is, if the ants are moving at an average speed of 0.09 meter per second, find the time an ant takes to reach to the bowl from the starting point. Options are given. One ant is capable enough to take 1.2 gram food particle. If the sweet bowl contains 132 gram of food in it, what distance one ant will cover to transport all the food particles to its nest? The options are given. Question number 4. If the sweet bowl contains 27 kg of food particle in it and all the ants are transporting food particle from the sweet bowl till the bowl empty, what distance one ant will cover? The options are given. Fifth question. While return back to their nest from the spot of sweet bowl, one ant choose some other path but travel the same distance as earlier. The path described by the ant is, the options are given to you. So this is the total question. First the title, then the story, the narration part, the drafting part, then the question part. So hope it will help you to create a good number of case study based questions. Thank you.